darkness in your heart.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am starting a new course on Microsoft Excel, and this course I will try my best to cover Microsoft Excel from the very beginning level. So if you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss important videos of our channel. So let's start the video. Today I will show you how to add different cells or different numbers by different methods in Microsoft Excel. So the first method is time consuming, but let's try. Press the equal sign, select the first cell, then press plus sign, again select the other cell, right, and plus sign this cell, plus sign this cell, plus sign, and you will do this by selecting the cell and press the plus sign, and then you press the enter and you will get the answer. But this method is time consuming, but let's try the method 2. And this method, just press the equal sign, type sum and select this sum, right, and select all these number, close the bracket and press the enter, you will get the answer. Now let's try method number 3. So in method 3, select the cell, right, go to the home tab here, right, then go to the, you will see this AutoSum command, press on the AutoSum, right, and press the enter, you will get the answer, right. Now let's try the method 4. This method is very shortcut and you will enjoy using this method because it is time saving. So let's try this method, and this method, select this cell, right, and just press alt and equal sign and press the enter, you will get the answer, right. So this method is very short. This method is very short. You have to just press the alt and the plus sign, equal sign, right, and you will get the answer. So stay tuned for the next tutorial.
Can I dive deep into the darkness in